everyone. I am Janeline Astilia, and today I am going to report or present our chosen topic in correspondence letter, which is the circular correspondence. So this letter we use full black style, which is all the writings will start at the left side. So this letter was dated on July 17, 2019. The recipient's business name is Ebytronics SA. Their address is Bukay, Chirag Province. So this is the salutation, the body of the letter, then the closing. So this is the sender's name, Aldo Caballero. He is a branch manager on Amazon store. So this circular correspondence letter was made to use when you want to convey a person for your business.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Hazel Ivory Katipay. So, the chosen letter we use is the inquiry letter. First, the sender's name and the address of the sender. Next, the subject is the inquiry regarding my research. So, this is the salutation, the body, and the closing. So, we choose the full black style to ensure the clarity and the consistency of the letter.